Hi Choeyang, hi twin, hi Gorshey sister. Happy 19th birthday.
Hey Choeyang, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Choeyang.
Hi Choeyang, I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday.
Hey Choeyang, I just want to wish you a happy 19th birthday.
Hi Choeyang, it's me Choeyang. I just want to wish you a happy 19th birthday.
Happy 19th birthday, Choeyang.
Hi Choeyang, happy 19th birthday. I have something written down prepared for you. You know what? Screw that.
Hi Choeyang. Hi Choeyang, happy 19th birthday.
Hey Choeyang, happy 19th birthday.
Hello Choeyang la, thirin kya gi kya ni modala, nge mone test lepe manguye. Wishing you a very happy birthday, and may this year brings you happiness, success, and lots of good memories. Enjoy, have fun. Happy birthday once again.
Oh, tashtile. Ani thari pomu Choeyang la gi kya ni matele ya. Nga ta ni nami chata lo ne doschini chawa namdo ne metsiri. Ani maung chale karen na bayin berine tashi lole ngue ki malam shuni. Ani nga kokap bi simba thone tik tik shu jogachi pomu Choeyang la tuchina shunde chungso karin ba ni shubayina. Ani ta nga zo she doschini o she suje de zambala ani pomu Choeyang la she tabro chitala di gosula khatune me sungu mare I shasha chini yinda yinchini sungu tu ani kokap bi simba thone ni takpane tuchina chin shuni. 아니 망고 쉬우 먹어 보통네 안 다른 깨가래야 라리야 잠지 테스트를 망고 예치치
캐나다기 가사 트론토 나로리아 니슈 나ങ്ങി기 안주 벽이 셰더 샤브로리아 가면 나게 오모틴지 최양라기 아니 그린 깨가 인자래 이 인디스마리아 녜기 오모틴지 최양라리아 믹세기 깨가 참티 테스트를 쉬야이 한 깨가 두고 나고 슬람 쉬야이
Hi Choeyang, I just want to say happy birthday. 아니 Choeyang 기대가 님을라 다시 내 장미 쉬어니. 아니 그린 길로 디나라 미미 쓰린다 저랑도 용 얼마나 예스. 아니 Choeyang 고시 빼고 타고도 이만이 고시 하고 타 주변에서 빼고 계셔. 아니 맞아. 베이비 부신이 먹어지라 아니 인스파이어 치 이모팅 나오나. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Choeyang, hi twin, hi Gorshey sister. Happy 19th birthday. You're officially unk. I'm just joking, but it's crazy because we met in 2022 and that was 5 years ago, half a decade of our amazing friendship that I love and cherish, and I can't wait to make way more memories with you. I can't wait to travel with you. I can't wait to party with you. Like, we're gonna be dancing on the dance floor, you know, busting out some moves. Like, it's gonna be a good time. Also, our Gorshey journey from filming videos, just like dancing freely, like I love it. I love doing all of it with you. Like our side jokes, our little side comments are always so fun to share. Over the 5 years, sorry, I was gonna say 10 years. It's gonna be 10 years and then 20 years, but over the 5 years of our friendship, I would definitely consider you as my sister. So happy birthday once again. I love you so much and I wish you nothing but happiness. So love you.
Hi, Choeyang. I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday, and I hope this year brings you lots of love and success in everything that you do. And I hope that you're enjoying university life. Hope to see you soon.
Hey Choeyang, happy birthday. I can't believe you're turning 19. I mean, you're growing up so fast, but it's your special day today, and I just wanted to share some few words. I mean, you're a really talented girl, and I'm truly blessed for you to be my friend. And I also hope your family and everybody is doing okay. But I made this little basketball clip for you, and I really hope you enjoy it. Send in love from New York.
Choeyang, happy 19th birthday. We all love you. I love you a lot, especially. Speak up, right? Happy birthday!
Hi, Choeyang la tashi dele. An tering kira gani. Lo churku khobe kega nyemo dele ya. Samdi tashi dele da. Ani chawa lamdo. Nemi tsiri yuwe tashi mendi shugiyo. I wish you very happy 19th birthday. Have fun.
Toronto la yuwe bumu tenzi Choeyang gi. Ani kega resha. An jetsa jojo lopsa dele nguni kirangi ni kega liya. Samdi tashi dele che. Ani chawa lamdo che. Lo sabi nala ya. Ani matse kirangi Gorshey hasaya batagdo ni Gorshey beauty ne charo na suye.
Just delay tenzi Choeyang la ani nga lots de ani thoma delia. I'm wishing you a very happy birthday ra. Ani kirangi thunga liya ani 참리 테스트릭 장미 쇼비다스 안데다 냠도 아니 키랑기 로사벤 나로리아 아니 차와 람루다 네미 트링 아니 키랑기 레가 가르치베 있는 삼도일 흉기 두베기 다시 놀람 쇼비요.
Happy. I can't even record. I'm scared. I can't even talk to the camera. Happy birthday, Choeyang! On my Gorshey party, you're finally 19. Oh my god, finally legal. I hope you have an amazing time celebrating with your friends and family. Go wild and have fun, but obviously stay safe. I'm so grateful to have gotten close with you last year and to have you behind. Yo. I have what I want to say written because I can't think of things on the spot, but I'm so grateful to have gotten close with you last year and to have you behind me in Mr. Steen's English class. You're so loved by the group and by me. You're so kind-hearted, you're thoughtful, and you're such a generous person, and I'm certain that everyone else can say that about you. And I'm so blessed to be able to call you my friend and to dance beside you, and I hope that our friendship lasts for a lifetime, and when us and the group are all older, we're all living in the same city, hopefully, and if we all end up having kids, our kids will be friends. Sorry, no one got me sick, but I hope that if we all do end up having kids, our kids will be best of friends just like how we are, and they're all Gorshey buddies just like we are, and they all visit each other just like we do. And I hope another New York City trip happens, takes out the group chat, and this time you'll be able to join our late night hangouts at Jump In Choeyang's house, and we'll all be able to watch horror movies and at 3 a.m. and munch on Wingstop that Norbu buys for us. Once again, I just want to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope you have so much fun, and I can't wait to see you on Losar. Bye, I love you.
Hi Choeyang, happy birthday. Aku Sangbu and family from France.
Ani drink pomotenzi Choeyang ki keka la trash tele tan chawa lamdo neme siring tiki kusum sokwe mendu shugiye an pomotenzi Choeyang mutuni ani lopchon dang sheda shapto sangma la thoma nang shimbare mutuni nalo na shuye yin niwene sumo siring da nami sangma ne trash tele chamme shu. Happy birthday, Tenzi Choeyang la from New York.
Hey Choeyang, I just want to wish you a happy 19th birthday. And I know I used to joke about calling you old or like an auntie before, but now you're actually an auntie. And it's crazy how time flies because it seems like it was just yesterday when we used to go strawberry picking or going to the park to play games together. That's when we were 3 to 4. Now, 15 years later, we're going on trips to New York or dancing Gorshey together, or whenever we go to events, you're always at our table just there making jokes and making us all smile and like making our days better. I just want to know you're like a sister to me and one of the closest friends I ever had. I've actually known you for the longest out of almost all our friends, and I want you to know that you actually matter to all of us, and I don't know what we would do without a friend like you. And although we've had a long time together, I hope we have many, many more years of fun and happiness that we spend together. Happy birthday, Choeyang.
Hey Choeyang, happy 19th birthday. You know, you're a really awesome person. Everyone loves being around you. I know I do. And, you know, you're not really just a friend to me. Like, I see you as a sister, even though obviously our families are not related. I still see you that way because, you know, the way that you act towards me, like, you care so much about me. And, like, I don't think you understand how much I actually appreciate that. So I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. And I hope your birthday goes great, keeping awesome, kind, loving, caring. We all love that about you. Happy birthday.
Happy 19th birthday, Choeyang. I hope you have a good day and make sure to keep studying hard. That be at Guelph or at TMU. And I'm a little sick if you can't tell. But next time we go to New York, hopefully you can find a place nearby us and then we could stay up late watching horror movies and Wingstop and McDonald's. Peace.
Hi Choeyang, it's me Choeyang. I just want to wish you a happy 19th birthday. You're finally legal, so have all the fun you can while being safe and everything. I know we've known each other a while, a year and a half, I think, maybe. I know that we don't talk as much compared to the rest of the group, but I just want to say that whenever I am with you, it always feels really nice and I can just easily approach you, and we always have moments where we can laugh together and everything. Everything. Stop! Who is doing that? But yeah, that's what I'm saying. And then just the way you treat Jampel and Singchun, like you make Singchun feel included in everything. Like, but thank you so much for everything, for Toronto, for oh my god, paying for my meal in New York. Like you did not have to do that. I'm like, I will pay you back one day. Watch out. But thank you so much, like for like even the smallest things. Like you're there, and no matter what happens, I can text you and you won't judge. So yeah, happy birthday.
Hi Choeyang. Hi Choeyang. Happy 19th birthday. We love you so much. Thank you for being an amazing friend the past year. It's been an honor to get to know you. Thank you for being my chauffeur in Toronto.
Hi Choeyang. Happy 19th birthday. I have something written down prepared for you. You know what? Screw that. I've known you for only a year, but it's felt so long. You know? First time I came to Canada, I didn't really talk to you that much. I was kind of nervous, you know, like Gorshey Queen, I'm just like a rookie. And like, I didn't feel worthy. But the second time you came here, I leveled up my Gorshey status a bit. I was like, you know, I really feel on par with her. Like, I feel I have something in common with you. And then, I don't know, it's like, I swear, like an instant spark just blew up. And from there, you just became my best friend. Everything about you, you know, the way you dance, the way you smile, it just like brings joy. Like, you walk into a dark room, but once Choeyang walks in, it's bright. And one thing I really appreciated was that note you wrote. Honestly, and that note you wrote me too, before you left. It really touched my heart. And I feel like, I'm sorry for not writing your note, but this is my version of a note. And I just wish you the best, and I hope you will live a great life, and I hope I'm a part of it.
Happy birthday, Choeyang. 这是 Choeyang la wish chim be.
Oh. But koran. Ngata bet chemba orjesh. Tangi di te video edit chi chiroaya. Nga suerang iroaya. Tanda bet chemba di kyang chensu lang yo thank you la. Ani di the wish di chi xiaora. Choeyang la gi ani kegar la ta shidelek pe mangbuyo lo. 아니 당보다 콘서트 당기니라 콘서트 상막이 내매 세링 자왈람도 용와 아니 초양기 스마일 닝지 모드스
아니 Choeyang be kind-hearted, kind chess. 아니 be다 상막이 되었던 것도. 땅아 하려고 있는 혼주스. 라이젤 하면도 땅아 하려고 있는. Okay, 당예 직 the tries childra. Choeyang la. 아니 once again, happy birthday. Keep smiling, keep shining, and enjoy every moment. 어디다 개치셔라 먼저. 그랑기 smile di. It brings joy, and 그랑기다 the 미진앙로라 수수기. 아니 가르치기 위해 상마 수수. Enjoy every moment. This 거. So 같은 상마 수요차며 this 탈라 this 돈. 그래서 탈라 망아질리도.
Thank you.